We believe Tesla is in the lead here in the United States. It has gathered more data about our roads, and actually other roads around the world, than all of the other companies combined. Therefore, it has more corner cases, and is probably going to be the company that will get people from point A to point B as quickly and safely as possible. The risks are going down because regulators are very data-driven, and what makes sense is that about a third of our valuation is associated with electric vehicles, or EVs, and scaling them. You mentioned that Turkey has a plant there. You know, many countries do want a Tesla plant because this is the new world, right? Well, that's good. This is all working out. In the last 5 to 10 years, the number of auto deaths in the United States has increased from 30,000 to 45,000, which regulators have noticed, particularly in the transportation industry. Decades of falling thanks to auto safety measures, economic weakness, there has been a bit of a backlash, I would say, and a pause. Because you do have GM and Ford saying, wait a minute, we're going to take a pause here ourselves. Because we can't do this profitably. By the way, that's a positive for Tesla. You know, to have the competition doing this. And Tesla is just going full steam ahead. So I do think part of it's economic, and you can use all these other excuses. But if that is the case, what's going to happen? We believe during the next 5 years, and you know that's our investment time horizon, we think the cost of an electric vehicle, the average electric vehicle, is going to be cut in half. And Tesla's new block manufacturing techniques and technology, along with AI, are a big part of this. Let us have a moment with Cathie Wood, founder of ARK Invest. In this video, Cathie unveils her compelling insights on why she's doubling down on Tesla stock like never before, from dissecting stock selling strategies to uncovering the untapped potential in Tesla's diversified ecosystem system. This is not your typical stock talk, as we take you on a journey through the fascinating world of Tesla and discover why Cathie Wood is all in on Tesla stock. Cathie leaves no detail unexplored in this engrossing discussion. So if you're looking to gain a competitive edge in the market and up your investing game, you're in the right place. Prepare to learn the mysteries around the specialists purchasing as much Tesla stock as they can. But before we move further, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Welcome to Tesla Insights. Let's get started with this video. This is where things become very exciting. When should you sell, and how should you handle your cash flow? As Cathie notes, it's a crucial balancing act. In 2021, when things were peaking, ARK stock began to fall short of their expected returns. Rather than waiting around, they sold off what wasn't cutting it. Take NVIDIA, for example. ARK had been riding that train since the beginning. But when the market went crazy, they cashed out because, well, everyone and their dog wanted a piece of the AI action, and NVIDIA was the go-to pick. However, Cathie and her team don't believe in playing it safe. Instead, they trim down their portfolio and concentrate on their top picks. Let's talk about technology now. In today's world, technology doesn't stay in one area. Take Tesla, for instance. It's a full tech ecosystem on wheels. Cathie's analysts are the best in the business. They're not just industry specialists, but also tech wizards. Elon Musk is a strong advocate of vertical integration, and he has the potential to challenge Apple in the future. To succeed in the stock market, one must understand the market and play it smart. Here's a pearl of wisdom from Cathie. In the world of investing, having the right data is like having a crystal ball, while everyone else is worried about inflation. If you have the numbers indicating otherwise, that's your ticket to big profits. Follow the data, people. Trust Cathie, it will pay off in the end. Let's talk more about Tesla. It's been a difficult ride. The price of Tesla has plummeted by a staggering 29% in 2024, which has been a rough ride for investors. However, there may be a bright spot. Landon Swan, co-founder of Folio, has some intriguing facts to share despite the depressing headlines. A few weeks ago, Landon's team sent out a bullish alert to their hedge fund clients, pointing out that there was a divergence between the performance of the stocks and the underlying data. Yes, there has been some noise in the EV market, with hybrids gaining traction and major players like hers moving away from EVs. But the real kicker is that most of Tesla's vehicles are holding strong. Take the Model Y, for instance. This crossover SUV has been a standout performer for Tesla, captivating customers with its sleek design, impressive range. The much-awaited Tesla truck has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry, even though deliveries are still in the early stages. And despite confronting enormous expectations, it has exceeded all misgivings to become one of the best-selling electric cars in its class. Even the mere thought of its impending advent has alarmed rivals. Here's where it gets interesting. Despite Tesla's stock plummeting, their online presence is surging, highlighting their unmatched position as a trailblazer in the automotive landscape, driving innovation and pushing boundaries like never before. Rivals like Ford have been forced to reevaluate their pricing strategies and slash prices in order to remain competitive in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. People are visiting more often and talking about Tesla more frequently, which is encouraging. What is Landon's opinion? Well, he believes that Tesla will succeed in the long run and isn't allowing his emotions get in the way. It's all about staying ahead of the curve, people, and with Tesla, the road ahead might just be smoother than you think. However, what if I told you that Cathie's bullish stance on Tesla goes way beyond just electric vehicles? Sure, EVs are a big part of their game, but have you seen their portfolio of businesses and what's cooking in their pipeline? It's a whole new ballgame. Cloud his judgment. He's all about the data, and according to him, the data is looking pretty darn good. My companion, looking away beyond automobiles, Tesla is a car company, but that's not all. Their innovative Powerwall, wide variety of charging stations, and robotics venture are just the tip of the iceberg. The company's Megapack is a game changer, with projections suggesting it could surpass car sales by the mid-30s or even sooner. Autonomous vehicles and the vast gigafactories, Tesla has a portfolio that is both revolutionary and broad. Vision highlights Tesla's unwavering pursuit of innovation on several fronts, securing the company's place as a pioneer in determining the direction of energy and transportation in the future. Elon Musk is not merely experimenting in the electric vehicle sandbox. Rather, he is strategically positioning himself to outlast rivals and eventually establish Tesla as the sole surviving player. Additionally, China's substantial automobile production could potentially overwhelm the global automotive market, making it a far-reaching move consequences. But the really good news when you consider Tesla's portfolio of businesses beyond just cars, particularly their thrilling robotics ventures, it becomes even more impressive. Take out the cars, and you still have a powerhouse of innovation. But that's only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Tesla's capabilities as a whole. In 5 to 10 years, Tesla may be the dominant force in industries we haven't even dreamed of. Now, I want to know if you, like Cathie, are betting everything on Tesla. Before you respond, though, every time Tesla releases a new product, it's like hitting gold. Demand soars, and before you know it, a healthy profit is in sight. But what about the bottom line? Okay, everyone, it's time to wrap up our discussion on Tesla. We've covered a lot of ground today, from Cathie Wood's insights on stock-selling strategies to Tesla's innovation, affordability, and market dominance. With these qualities, they're poised for long-term success. So if you're considering jumping ship due to a brief dip in the stock price, think again. This is Landon Swan's data-driven analysis of Tesla's future prospects. Before we go, though, let's quickly review what Cathie taught us. The key to maximizing profits is staying disciplined when selling stocks, especially when they fall below expected returns. Landon also believes that Tesla is about a whole ecosystem of innovation and market dominance. So these are some questions to think about. Are you bullish on Tesla for the long run? Do you think Tesla's diversified portfolio will continue to outperform the competition? Please share your opinions in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to stay up to date on all the latest Tesla insights, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This is Tesla Insights. Thank you.